Hey all, welcome back to Mess with Mopars. Saturday, May the 4th be with you over at the shop. Little update on what's going on with the Super B. We welded in some subframe connectors. They're competition engineering. You know, they're okay. They were the bolting kind, but I didn't really like that idea, so we just welded them in, and I just kind of, am I going too fast? Painted stuff up. And a little bit of primer showing through there. They seem to be doing okay. They're looking okay. That's the hardware from them. They came with these, what do you call it? I can't remember the name all of a sudden off the top of my head. Anyhow, you guys know what they're for. Drill a hole, you put those in there. Crush sleeves. That's the word I'm looking for. Crush sleeve. So there we go. That's the hardware. So we'll have, you know, some grade 5 fine thread, nylox, you know, so that's okay. We'll use that somewhere, I'm sure. I lowered the front control arms a little bit too, so hopefully that changes things up. Check the torque on the tires. They seem to be okay. A little visual inspection underneath the car here. Everything's looking all right. There you go. We keep our eye on this thing here. This joint right here slipped out, so I might have to get the welder in here and just throw a couple of tacks on there just to hold it in place. But for right now, we're good. And now these things have sat for a bit. You can sort of see where they might be leaking a little bit right here, right here. So a little bit right there, maybe. That looks okay. A little bit right there. Nothing major. Whatever. Hasn't hurt anything yet. So there you go. Guess we'll do a little cold start here in a little bit. Man, it's nice and it's muggy here today. Kind of muggy here, so whatever. 20 degrees, so we'll take it. At least I will. All right, y'all. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Oh, here's some big news. We got 100 subscribers. 100. Like a centennial amount of subscribers. I want to thank all you guys for subscribing. Appreciate you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give a share. Hey, leave a comment. I've been getting comments from a few people. I really appreciate them. Hopefully we can get more better. We'll get some more in-depth content and that kind of stuff. Maybe we will be starting on that car at some point in time. But so let's get the Super B done and get working on the truck again. All right, thanks for coming along for the ride. Like I said, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. And if this is on Facebook, if you guys see this on Facebook, just pop over to YouTube. Pop over to YouTube, look up my channel, Messing with Mopars, and everybody have a great afternoon.